And we're back from the break. Of course, you're watching Pre-This, you're vibing with Cosmar. And if you look towards where I'm looking now, I won't even go in there so for $100 million. Let's talk about fashion on the Pre. Yeah, man, we're going to catch up back with the Saint International, the recently held Saint International Fashion Face of the Caribbean. They got some hot fashion going over there now. If you think you're sexy, Pre-This.
For the top position, no make a cup on a new money man. Control the yard like a me a the dan girl. Mo hold ya man, hold ya man. Wine me to wine, broke out and me to wine. Girl show me the wine where you use and take where the people them man. Now I'm missing again. Wine me to wine, broke out and me to wine. Chop, the boss a go on and you a get the new.
Why pray? Now it's a lot happening around the world of entertainment in the Caribbean, and it's now time for us to get you up to speed with the Pre. It's a Caribbean entertainment buzz going on right here on Pre-This. Check out my fruit, I know. It's all about the cranberry raspberry.
Inside the Caribbean bus for this week, former Trinidad Rising Stars winner Neville Chantelal emerged winner in the tenor solo category in the 30th Biennial Music Festival held recently at Queen's Hall. Jay McDonald from Tobago also gave a good performance. Now, Tobago soca artist Telly Cruz is featured on the dancehall rhythm project called the Juicy Rhythm. His song is entitled Rude Gal. The Juicy Rhythm features top dancehall acts and was produced by Jamaica's Super Hype. Jamaican singers Tammy and Tisan Chin recently performed at the 32nd annual St. Martin Heineken Regatta. Also on the lineup were St. Martin's The Showtime Band, The Rebels, and the Steel Pan stalwart The Mighty Dow. Jamaican reggae artist Damien Junior Gong Marley and R&B legend Roberta Flack are the headliners for the St. Kitts Music Festival, which takes place from June 28 to June 30. Bajan soca artist Rupi is releasing a new album this summer. Rupi is best known for hits such as Tempted to Touch and What Happens in the Party Stays in the Party. That's your Caribbean Buzz for this week. My name is Kevin Jackson.
Now he comes from the musical hotbed, the legendary Trenchtown, and he goes by the name of Mario Van Ross. He's our featured act in this week's Talent on the Rise, which is brought to you by Cool Runnings Cranwater. Now let's see what this talent is bringing to the musical game. Pre-This.
Talent on the Rise is brought to you by Cool Runnings Cranwater. Just cool.
Mario Van Ross is a youth, you know, where they through the sufferation and the struggle all along, you know. My mother got dead now, so it kind of give me an inspiration for build music. I'm going to link up with Potential Kid, you see it. From a link up with Potential Kid, I know everything gone global, you see it. I'm saying for just do the music, you see me? Yeah, right now I offer to the table just more love, you see it? I offer to the table some culture music, you see it? I hit the thing right now, because Europe is our place. We have Europe in our back pocket, you see it? Yeah, the music journey so far, you know, is a nice journey, you see it? Although it's hard still, you see it? But Potential Kid, as well I tell him, say, yes, so nice and it get easy, though, like Marcus Beasley, though. Yeah, man, a natural enterprise straight, man. You see, the youth them get a surprise straight, man. What me the get? Yeah, right now I'm record 5 songs right now. One on the Chicken Gravy Rhythm, a Potential singer Yassa Nice, and the so hear the thing still, you see it? Yeah, my real name is Mario Van, you know, that's my first name. Ross is my last name, you see it? So Potential and the youth them ever call me, you know, Ross, you see it? So me I say Ross. Everybody kinda, you see it? Have the Ross in our way, because if you see a Rasta man now, you say Ross. You see me, people could say, yo, me a ballhead. I grew up in Rima, you know, 6th Street, you know, 86th Street, Kingston 12, and my address that, that's where I live. School where I used to go, Boys Town, All Age, then I graduate from all-age school now and go down in technical high school. PLO, still we skin up PLO, no money for the BLO. Whole heap of time we try hard. Mama cry, she cry hard. My sister cry, she cry. Still we have to die. Poverty and poor. Yes, poverty and poor. Poverty and more. Mess, poverty and poor. Poverty and poor. Poverty and poor. It just a knock down my door. This world is very dread die. Them have to say we dead die. Get shot in on me head. Damaro split, Damaro fled die. My mother do the crying. Papa him a say why. To him juvenile. Where they done gone, him have to say bye. I'm tired of the killing, be a blood spilling. Poverty and stress the poor, the harder than a pigeon. If me rich forever giving at the poor, me ever will. In long life, me love to live inside the end when it.
Talent on the Rise was brought to you by Cool Runnings Cran Water. Just cool.
We still have a lot more pre coming up right here on Pre. This is going to take our second commercial break, but we still have lots more in store. Pre, this will be right back.